For centuries, men and women of vision have dreamed of linking Britain and the continent through a tunnel under the Channel. Now the dream is a reality. In 1993, the tunnel will open, joining Great Britain to continental Europe. And work is well underway. Eurotunnel is one of the largest private sector projects of the 20th century. It's the scheme chosen by the UK and French governments in response to their invitation in 1985 for the private development, financing, construction and operation of the Channel Tunnel, without recourse to government funds or financial guarantees. Eurotunnel has appointed a consortium of 10 of the world's leading construction companies for the construction of the project, working together under the name of Transmanche Link. Each year, 50 million people and over 65 million tons of freight make the journey across the Channel. The present forecasts estimate that this traffic will double by the year 2000. With the fixed link, Eurotunnel will join 57 million Britons to 263 million continental Europeans. What this means is a total market of 320 million consumers. Trade between the UK and the continent has doubled since 1973, and today it's more than 60% of Britain's overseas trade. Eurotunnel will play a major part in the development of this business. It's estimated that from 1993, Eurotunnel will transport some 31 million passengers annually, 40% of all cross-channel passengers, and 15 million tons, or 20%, of all cross-channel freight. Eurotunnel is the missing link of the European market with no frontiers. When it opens, the natural barrier between England and France will disappear. There will be a fixed link for the first time in history. But it's not the first time that man has tried to join what nature has separated. Let's go back in time to see how Eurotunnel came into being. The first project goes as far back as 1751. Over 2 centuries of unfulfilled dreams give way to today's reality. It has long been known that the geological conditions under the Channel are ideal for the boring of a tunnel. Some 40 meters below the seabed, there's a layer of impermeable blue chalk through which tunnel boring machines have been digging since 1988. These machines are like giant moles, cutting through the chalk and extracting the spoil. Behind them are placed enormous concrete segments which make up the lining of the tunnel. The tunnel boring machines, guided by laser and operating 24 hours a day, will dig 3 50-kilometer tunnels. The 2 main running tunnels, each with a diameter of 7.6 meters, will carry outbound and return traffic respectively. The third tunnel is a service tunnel with a diameter of 4.8 meters, used for maintenance and safety. Every 375 meters, a cross passage joins the 3 tunnels. This system provides maximum reliability and safety for both passengers and freight using Eurotunnel. All this and no weather problems or seasickness. For vehicles, access to the Folkestone terminal will be by a special link with the M20 motorway from London. Similarly, on the French side, access to the Coquelles terminal near Calais will be via a new link to the A26 motorway and the Route Nationale 1. You can travel day and night. Both terminals will be open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Everything has been thought out to speed travelers through frontier formalities. There will be no need to book. Tickets will be available at the entrance and toll gates will be computerized. Both British and French frontier controls will be grouped together at the departure point. There will be rest areas, shopping and catering facilities for passengers. Road vehicles will board Eurotunnel shuttles. Passengers can remain in the comfort of their own cars for the trip. Double-deck shuttles will carry cars, while single-deck shuttles will carry coaches, caravans and minibuses. single-deck heavy goods shuttles will take lorries. There will always be a shuttle ready to leave at each terminal. During peak periods, passenger shuttles will leave every 12 minutes, while there'll be up to 4 freight shuttles an hour. With Eurotunnel, cars, campers, caravans and lorries will travel in complete safety at 100 miles an hour. After a pleasant journey lasting just over half an hour, there'll be no hold-ups for formalities at the far end. The exit is clear. Eurotunnel shuttles will alternate with passenger and freight trains of British Rail and the French Railways SNCF, including their TGV high-speed trains. This means that when Eurotunnel opens, Gare du Nord in the centre of Paris will be a mere 3 hours from the heart of London, and after the completion of the British high-speed line in a few years' time, only 2.5 hours away. Eurotunnel will carry a constant flow of traffic, with some 1,500 vehicles an hour in each direction. Eurotunnel will be the high-speed key to continental Europe. In ratifying the treaty and granting the concession to Eurotunnel for 55 years, the governments of the two countries gave the go-ahead to the greatest private sector project of the 20th century. Eurotunnel gained a unanimous vote in the French Parliament and a majority vote in the British Parliament. Eurotunnel will be an impressive operation using new equipment and proven technology. It will introduce a new transportation era that will revolutionize the cross-channel market with a fast, reliable and convenient service. Investors, the public at large and the lending banks have acknowledged Eurotunnel's technical credibility as well as its potential profitability. Eurotunnel will not only become one of the largest private transportation systems in the world, but it's also, even now, the greatest engineering project of the 20th century. In 1993, Eurotunnel will open the door into the 21st century and a new Europe.